Yesterday we understood complete Linux, most frequently used Linux commands by Hadoop admins. Okay, so that is fine. Now the idea is to set up a Hadoop cluster. Okay, to set up a Hadoop cluster. For that, okay, what we have done here. Okay, so here, yeah, Apache 3x, Apache Hadoop 3x installation. Okay, so this is the so this is the idea, guys. Now, okay, so I want to create set up a cluster on 6 VMs. Okay, so these are the VM names. Okay, and this is the IP address and host name for each VM, and this is the service which we want to start. Okay, so before we start, what we will do, we will clone these machines. Actually, it looks like we already cloned these machines, right? We already cloned these machines. Okay, I'm starting all these machines. Okay. So okay, here you can see something like a headless start, normal start, and all. Okay. So normal start means that you can see the window here. Okay. When I say headless start, okay, the VMs will be running, but they will be running in the background. You will not see so many windows here. Understand? Understand, yes. See, my VMs are running. Okay, but okay, they'll be running in the background. Okay, you will not see any windows in the taskbar. Okay, so here, guys, okay, we started all the 6 VMs now, all the 6 VMs at a time. Okay, so what I will do first, okay, so first, okay, as a Hadoop admin, what I will do, okay, I received all these VMs, so I will check whether all these VMs are really working or not. Okay, S3N1, yes, it is working. Okay, and S3N2, okay, yes, it is working. S3N3, yes, H3N4, yes, H3N5, yes, H3H, yes. Okay, so they told that okay, they have set up six virtual machines. Yes, okay, I'm able to access all the 6 virtual machines now. Okay, these are the 6 virtual machine. Okay, so when I start this 6 virtual machines, okay, all these are okay. So all these are the virtual machines which are installed with OS and prerequisites. Okay, they are installed with OS and prerequisites. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So these are the machines which we have taken. Will you agree with me? Yes. These are the machines we have taken, and these are the IP addresses. H3N1, H3N2, S3N3, S3N4, S3N5. These are the VM names. Okay. And okay, here okay, we have H3N1. This is the host name. Correct? Yes or no? Okay. And okay, we have one more host also, right? H3H. 186 IP address. Okay, so these are the total 6 VMs we have taken. These are the total 6 VMs we have taken. Okay, will you agree with me? This is the VM name. Okay, this is host name. This is the IP address. Okay, this is the static IP address. I'm not going with the here. Okay, if you see each machine will have 2 IP addresses, right? Now you see S3N1 IF config. I have okay ENP0S3, one dynamic IP address, one static IP address. Okay, but I will go with the static IP address. I will not go with the dynamic IP address. Okay, in the same way, if you see S3 and 2 also, here also okay, we have dynamic IP address. And okay, this is the dynamic IP address. This is the static IP address. Okay, but I will go with the static IP address for each machine. Okay. So now, okay, so these are the 6 VMs we have taken. And okay, in each machine, we have these users created. Yes or no? As part of, okay, if you see the yesterday's class, in each VM, okay, what are the users we have? Root, SDP user, okay, BLR user, HYD user, Sotrino. So these are the total, these many users. How many users? 14 users are there. Okay, 14 users are there. Okay, so only 11 users I have put. Okay, so who else okay, should come? Root SDP user, guest Venkata Venu, Adam. Okay. Okay, BLR user. Okay, Adam and James. HYD user. Okay. So these are the total 14 users, okay, which we have, okay, which we created in the base VM. So anyway, we cloned the base VM. Okay, so it means all these machines are copy of this machine only. Okay, so it means okay, in all these machines, okay, we have these users. Will you agree with me? Huh? Okay, we have all these things in base VM. Okay, when you clone, okay, so what is the base VM here, guys? Okay, so let us take this base VM. Okay, the base VM is this one. This is the base VM. And okay, we have put a name for this as a slave.hadoop.com. Okay, and we are given the IP address as 200. And inside this one, okay, we have these many users. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, inside this one, okay, these many users we have. This is the base machine which we have. Okay. Now I'm cloning this base machine. When I clone this base machine, what will happen? So these things will come as it is. Will you agree with me? These things will come as it is. Okay. But later stage, what we are doing? Okay. RK, I will do one thing. Okay. Okay. So this is the base VM. So what we have done? Okay. We copied. We cloned it after cloning. This is okay. After cloning, this is the status. After cloning, this is the status. Okay, so you are giving a different VM name, but okay, here okay, everywhere okay, you have same thing actually. So now, see, this is the base machine, the first VM which you have. Okay, you clone this VM. Okay, you have taken 6 copies of this VM. After cloning, okay, so the VM name is different, but okay, inside that okay, host name and static IP address same for all the machines. Okay, then okay, what you are doing? Okay, so then we are running. Okay. After running new underscore host setup dot sh script. Okay. After running okay new underscore host setup dot sh. Okay. What will happen? What will happen is okay. So here okay, each one is having so here okay if you see here these are the ones. These are the ones. Okay, but okay. This is the red part. Why it is red part? Because all are having same IP address. But now, okay, after running this one, okay, so these are like okay, green ones now. Understand? Or any question? This is the initial, my first base machine. Okay? First VM. This is my first VM. Okay. After cloning this first VM, okay, it comes like this actually. Okay, so only the VM name will change. So here, okay, so my first VM, okay, okay, VM name will come like this. After cloning, okay, what will happen? I'm taking total 6 copies. 6 copies. So all the 6 copies are having different VM names, but okay. But what is having inside that? Okay, host name and IP address all are same for each VM. Okay. Then what you are doing? Okay, so you are running a new hosted .sh script. After running new hosted .sh script, okay, every machine will get okay different host name, different IP address. Correct or not? S3N1, S3N1.hadoop.com, 181 IP address. S3N2, S3N2.hadoop.com, 182 IP address. Like this, okay, every machine will get okay separate IP address. Understand? Or any questions till now? Okay. Now these 6 machines are ready with separate IP addresses, separate host names. Okay. That I tested in the so here okay. So here I tested okay whether I'm able to connect to this one or not. Okay. But now, first of all, okay, who created this base VM, guys? This one created by whom? Huh? Yes or no? Created by Linux admin. Okay. Who cloned? Okay. Cloned by Linux admin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Linux admin. Okay. But okay, who set up this script actually?
Network admin.
Okay. So set the static IP by network admin. So now, okay. Set the static IP by network admin here. Okay. So now network admin has handed over all these 6 machines to Hadoop admin. Okay. So now these machines okay are with Hadoop admin now. Okay, these machines are with okay. Now you are a Hadoop admin and all these 6 machines are with you. Is it clear? Now you are a Hadoop admin. Okay, and all these 6 machines are with you. Any questions till now? Tell me, guys. Any questions till now? No questions or any questions? Okay.
Sir, can you run this?
What, sir? Okay. Now all these 6 machines are with Hadoop admin now. Okay. So now, okay, so this guy, Linux admin created all these things. Okay, so Linux admin knows the root password. Yes or no? Linux admin will have root password. Okay. But after cloning, okay, so again, okay, so cloning also done by Linux admin, again using root user ID. Okay. So he cloned it. Okay. So set the static IP also done by network admin. Okay. So these are the people, okay, who build the VMs actually. VMs are physical servers. Okay. So they know the root user and their password. Understand? They know the root user and password. Okay. But when it comes to Hadoop admin, do you think, okay, so these people will share root user password with Hadoop admin in real time? In real time, if you are a Hadoop admin, you will not know, you will not be knowing the root user password. Okay. Sir, now you may ask me a question, sir, if I don't know root user password, how will I install Hadoop here? Okay. So they will not give you root user password. Instead, okay, what they will do, okay. So they created a special user for us. Okay, the special user is nothing but HTTP user. Okay. And okay, they will share the password of HTTP user. Okay. So here they will tell, okay, see, these are the 6 machines ready for you. Okay. And okay, you can install Hadoop cluster using HTTP user user ID, and the password is welcome one for that. Okay. Who will share this information with us? Network, this one, okay. This team will share. Who? Linux team will share. Linux team will tell, okay, so Venkata, okay, so you are a Hadoop admin. So if you want to install, these are the 6 machines, empty machines ready for you. Okay, ready for you. If you want to install, okay, Hadoop, okay, in these machines, okay, we will not give you root user ID and password, because if you give root user and password, okay, you can do anything on this machine. This is the reason, okay, we have given some special, we created a separate user for you to install Hadoop. That user is SDP user, and okay, the password of SDP user is this one, welcome one. So use this SDP user and okay, install your Hadoop cluster. Okay, so in real time also, as a Hadoop admin, okay, you will not be knowing the password of root of any machine, root password for any machine. Understand? Understand, or any questions?
Got it, sir.
Okay, so that is the reason, okay, here, okay, what I'm telling, okay, so here using base VM, clone total of 6 VMs and change the IP address and host names as above using new underscore setup script. So this is what we have done already. Okay. So now there is a note here, okay, in red color. Please log in as HTTP user to install Hadoop cluster. Do not use, okay, root user in real time. Okay. So Hadoop admins will not be knowing root user password. Okay. Understand? Not knowing root user password. Only they know. No. Clear? The statement is clear, guys. Please log in as HTTP user to these machines. Okay, so if you see here, all these machines, okay, I log in as HTTP user. Think that, okay, now I don't know root user password. Okay, so now I logged into this machine as HTTP user. Okay, this machine also HTTP user. Okay, this machine also HTTP user. Okay, HTTP user, HTTP user, HTTP user. Every machine I logged in as HTTP user. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what next?
Excuse me.
Huh?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you verified this? All these 6 missions are running or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you please show it? Can you please show it once again? How to verify this, whether this is running or not?
Yes, okay. In the virtual box, you can see all the 6 are in running state, right?
Okay.
They are in running state. Okay, at the same time, okay, using MQT, I'm able to access each and every machine also. Correct?
Yes.
I'm able to log in each and every machine, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? I'm able to log in
Okay.
each and every machine. Yes.
Just
Yes.
if you click on just S3 Edge and S3N1, it will the tab will open. Sir, multi-tabs
Yes,
will
sir.
open there, so that we can decide that these are running.
Yeah. But anyway, status is showing running, na?
Yes, sir. Okay. Power off. Initially, this is power off in position. Okay.
Power off and running. Okay, it is showing running state.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now, what is the idea here, guys? What is the idea here? Our idea is to install. Okay. So initially, all these are VMs. Before installing Hadoop, all these are, okay, normal VMs or physical machines. Okay. Our idea is to install name node service here. Okay. Data nodes. Okay. Secondary name node here. Okay. And data node here. Okay. Data node service here, data node service here, and this is the edge node here. This is what our idea. Yes or no? This is what our idea is.
Yes.
This is what our idea. Okay. So first, what we need to do? Okay. So here, set up passwordless SSH for Hadoop cluster installation. Okay. So what is this passwordless SSH case? Passwordless SSH. Okay. Now let us take this scenario case. Okay. Now all the 6 VMs are running, right? All the 6 VMs are running. Okay. Now I logged into S3N1, okay, using HTTP user. It means, okay, I'm here. Okay. Now I want to go from this machine to this machine. Okay. So what is the command I will use? SSH HTN2. Okay. So now I'm jumping to S3N2 machine. Okay. So if I enter password, okay, now I logged into S3N2 or not?
Yes, sir.
From see, initially I logged into S3N1. From there I logged into S3N2. Okay. From there, okay, I want to log into S3N. Okay, so SSH H3N4. Okay, welcome one. Yes, now okay. From there, I'm able to log into S3N4. It means
Yes,
okay, using this SSH command, you can log in from any machine to any machine. Got it? Got it,
Yes,
guys? But okay, every time when I'm logging in, is it asking for password or not?
yes, sir. It's asking.
Huh? It is asking for password. Okay. So now I pressed log out. Okay. So I came back to S3N2. Here also I pressed log out. I came back to S3N1. Yes or no? Okay. So every time when I try to log into other machine, it is asking for password. Okay. But here, okay, there is a trick, guys. Okay. See, whenever, okay, so which user I want to use to install Hadoop? SDP user, correct or not? SDP user. Okay. So now, and okay, in which machine I want to install name node in the first machine. Okay. So in this scenario, okay. Okay, so here also have SDP user, here also have SDP user, here also have SDP user. How do you distinguish? Okay, this is SDP user now. See, now the same user is on each and every machine. Yes or no? The
Yes, sir.
same user is on 6 machines. Okay. How do you say this SDP user is from this machine? How do you say that?
The name.
Huh?
By IP address.
Okay. By IP address. Okay. So you can say like this otherwise. Okay. So here, okay. So what I will do here initially by IP address. Okay. SDP user @S3N1. Okay. Or SDP user @IP address. Okay. Like this, you can say this is SDP user from this machine. This is SDP user from this machine. SDP user @182. SDP user @183. SDP user @184. Like this, you can tell. Okay. So first, what I'm doing, okay, okay, I'm trying to create a passwordless SSH. Okay, passwordless SSH means okay, without password, I should be able to log in. Okay, and okay, this step should be followed in. This step should be run in name node machine only. Okay, should be run in name node machine only. Okay, so in the name node machine, okay, so name node machine means S3N1, correct? Correct or not? What is the name node machine we thought?
S3N1, sir.
S3N1. Okay. So now I logged into S3N1, okay, and I'm executing this command rm-rf. Okay, what this command will do, madam, I'll explain this. What is edge node? Okay, so here, okay, rm-rf. It means okay, so if there are any keys, okay, available, I'm deleting it. What are those keys? Okay, I will explain now. Okay, now what I'm doing using SSH keygen, okay, I am creating a key set case. Okay, key set. Now, okay, when I run this command, what it has created? Okay, so it has printed something actually. Okay, something. Okay, so it is saying that okay, your identification has been saved in home SDP user .ssh id underscore rsa. Your public key has been saved in home SDP user .ssh id underscore rsa pub. Okay, so it means okay, what it has done. Okay, what it has done. It has created. Okay, this command has created two keys, guys. Under this folder, it has created under this folder. Okay, now or if you want to see, okay, let's say LTR. Okay, you see now what are the keys it has created? ID underscore RSA. It has created two files. Okay, one is ID underscore RSA, and another file is ID underscore RSA pub. These are the two files it created. Okay. Now I will cat this file. Yes, I will cat this file. Okay.
What this will do, this will allow
wait, sir.
Okay.
I will explain. After that, you ask my question. Okay. I'm just saying cat. Okay. So cat ID underscore RS underscore pub. Okay. So what it is saying? When I cat this one, what it is saying? This is HTTP user key. Okay, so I will cat this one ID underscore RS. Yeah. Okay. So we are not worried about this private key, but we are okay with the HTTP user. Okay. So there is a key created, public key created. Okay, public key created. Okay, for HTTP user. Okay. So this is the public key where it is created. Where it is created. HTTP user at the rate h3n1. Okay, so there is a public key created, and this public key is created in h3n1 machine. Correct or not? Correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this is the public key which got created here. Okay, h3n1 machine. Okay. Now, okay. Now there is a file here, guys. There is a file which is called. Okay. Now there is a file which is called as a known host. And see here, guys, there is a file which is called as known host. What is this file, guys? What is this file? Tell me, what is this file? Okay. So this is the file which is available in each and every machine, guys. This is the file which is available in each and every machine. Okay. So what it contains actually? What it contains? Okay. So now, okay, if any entry available here, okay, so this system will understand that, okay, this is a known host, okay, I can allow him without password. Understand? Understand, guys? No, right? Okay, so don't worry. Okay. So now what I will do now, okay, what I will do, okay, whatever the public key I created here, okay, whatever public key I created here, what I will do, I will copy this public key, okay, I'll copy this public key to each and every machine known host. What does it mean now? What will happen now? What will happen? Okay. So now, okay. So this step, okay. So I will copy even here also. Okay. I will copy this public key. First, I created the private key. This is private key. This is private key. Private key, and this is public key. Public key. Okay. So these are the two keys which we created now. These are the these are the two keys which we created. But okay, what I'm doing, I'm copying this public key to each machine known host. Okay. Known host. Okay. So how can I copy this one? Here, okay, I have given a command. Okay. Using for loop, I'm copying this one. Using for loop. See, it is copying. It is copying. Okay. So it is copied to each and every machine. Okay. It is copied to 56.181, 56.182, 183, 184, 185, 186. All the 6 machines it copied. Okay. So now what will happen? Okay. Now you type, okay, SSH. Okay, SSH H3 H3N2. Is it asking for password?
No, sir.
No. Okay, why? So here, okay, the case that, okay, whenever you are trying to log into this machine, okay, it will check, okay, whether, okay, the user you are logging in, okay, whether, see, you are logging in from here, right? Okay, your login is coming from this machine or not. Okay, if it is, okay, it will check in the known host file first. It will check in the known host file. What are the entries I have? Okay. So if the login is coming from his HTTP user S3N1, if login is coming from HTTP user S3N1, okay, then okay, this machine is already having this entry here. Okay, if you want to, you can see here. Okay, so cat home HTTP user dot SSH. Okay, known host. Can you see this one? Non-host unauthorized case, not non-host. Okay. Listen to this one, guys. What is this entry? Not non-host. Okay, here authorized case actually, not non-host. There's a file. Okay. What is this authorized case here? This file will be available in each and every machine. Okay. Authorized case, okay, will have information like, okay, what are the users I can allow without password? Okay. Whom I can allow without password? Whom I can allow without password? If user is coming from HTTP user at the rate h3n1, allow him freely. Okay. Now, okay, you come back. Okay. Okay. Now you are h3n1. Okay. h3n1. Now you are h3n1. Okay. So now if you log into h3n2, h3n2. Okay. Now you are trying to log into h3n2. Okay. But you are trying to log in as how from where you are going?
From
N1 to
H3.
N2.
SDP user h3n1. Yes or no? See, you are going to here. You are trying to log into this machine, h3n2 machine. Okay. But okay, from where you are going? From where the connection is going? The connection is going from SDP user at the rate h3n1. Okay. So if SDP user at the rate h3n1, okay, if the connection is coming from here, what h3n2 will do? It will check, okay, where the connection is coming from. Okay, now connection is coming from SDP user h3n1. Now it will check in its list actually. Okay. Okay. So connection is coming from SDP user at the rate h3n1. Okay, so he is a authorized person in my list. Is an authorized person in my list. Okay, so don't ask him password. Understand? Understand this? Okay. Now okay, you see here SSH S3N3. Okay. It is asking for password. Why?
We were not, we were given permission only for,
Okay. So we will see now why it is asking password. Okay. So first of all, where he is going? S3N3. Yes or no? He is trying to log into S3N3. Okay. So it means okay, H3N3. Okay. He want to go to S3N3 machine. This machine he wanted to go. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. So from where he is going? From where he is going?
H3N2.
SDP user is S3N2. Okay. So now what S3N3 will do? It will check, okay, whether, okay, in my address keys, whether I have SDP user S3N2. Is there, okay, SDP user at the rate S3N2? Is it there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What is there here? Only S3N1. If the connection is coming from S3N1, then only allow without password. Otherwise, don't allow. Okay. That is the reason it is asking for password. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
okay. So Control C. Press Control C and coming back. Okay. Now SSH 3 and 3. Okay. Is it asking for password? Why?
No, sir.
So,
Authorized.
S3 and 3 is checking in the authorized keys. Okay. S3 and 3. This is S3 and 3. It is checking in the authorized keys whether SDP user at the rate S3 and 1 is available or not. Yes, it is available. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not, guys? Okay.
But sir,
Yes, sir.
initially we write all the host names in etc hosts, yes. So why do we need to create then SSH like
Sir,
and
okay,
copy?
see,
Yeah.
etc host, okay, is an entry to, okay, understand, okay, what is your IP address or what is your host name. That will not help you to log in.
Okay, okay. Authorization, it is not for authorization. Okay, got
It
it.
is not for authorization. Understand?
Got it. Understood. Yes. So
Okay.
private key we need to copy, or means first we need to create.
Public key you need to copy.
Okay, sir. Got it. Yeah.
So first what you need to do, you need to create a private key and public key. Okay. In which machine? In first machine. Okay. Again, for which user? Now, okay. Can Venkata log into this machine to this machine without password?
No.
Why?
HTTP user can log in.
Only HTTP user, because HTTP user at the rate h3n1 is only will help. Okay. But if Venkata try to log in, it will become Venkata at the rate h3n1. But is Venkata at the rate h3n1 is added here? No. Okay. So it means, okay, the passwordless SSH will work only for HTTP user. Okay. And again, only from this machine to all other machines. But okay, not from this machine to this machine, this machine to this machine. From first machine to all other machines. Understand? Understand,
Yes,
guys?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is passwordless, creating passwordless SSH. Creating
So
passwordless.
Venkat, in this means that name node can communicate to all the hosts, but all
We don't-
hosts cannot communicate among themselves. Yes, that also it means correct.
No. So here, okay, it can communicate, okay, itself also, right?
No, but among themselves means 1 and 2 means 2 and 3 cannot communicate.
2 and 3 cannot communicate. Okay, 3 and 4 cannot communicate. Okay.
Only 1 and 2, 1 and 2 means 1 and 3,
1
1
and
and
2,
4.
yes. 1 and 3, yes. 1 and 4, yes. 1 and 5, yes. Okay, 1 and 6, yes.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, so it means, okay, we are enabling passwordless SSH only from name node machine to all other machines, but not from any other machine to any other machine. See, from name node to secondary name node service a machine, I can log in without password. From name node to data node, I can log in. Name node to second data node, I can log in. Name node to third data node, I can log in. Name node to edge node, I can log in. Okay, but okay, will reverse work, guys? Okay, can this HTTP user log into S3N1 without password?
No.
Why?
No.
So when it is when you are trying to log in here, okay, from here to here, okay, so this machine will check for HTTP user at the rate h3n2. So do you have HTTP user at the rate h3n2?
No.
All right, okay. So it will check for the starting place. Okay, the starting place should be in the authorized list. Otherwise, it will not work. Got it? Got it, or any questions? Okay, I will take it like no question. Okay. This is the first step. Yes, set up the passwordless SSH. Okay. After that, okay, update the node list for cluster operation. Okay, so cluster operation. Okay, so what is this cluster, guys? What is this cluster? Okay, so cluster means, okay, cluster shell. Okay, so cluster shell. What is cluster? Cluster means, okay, set of machines. Altogether we call as a cluster. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Just 1 second.
Sir,
What is this cluster shell?
sir, how
Ah.
this, sir, one question.
Ah,
Sir, how this cluster cell recognize that whether the node is part of cluster? It is picking the host names from the
okay.
ETC hosts or where?
1 second, sir. 1 second. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, guys. Okay, let us take this scenario. Okay. Normally, when I say cluster, okay. So in the cluster means normally set of machines. Okay. So in the cluster, each and every machine should have same date time or not. See, when I say cluster, all should follow same rules, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now I have, okay, so S3 and S3 and 4, S3 and 5, S3 and edge. Okay. I have total 6 machines. Okay. Now I want to check, okay, whether all these 6 machines are having same date time or not. How will I check? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if I start checking a date, okay, it is showing 8/26. Okay. If I go here, 31. Okay. Again, okay, here if I go here, date. Okay. 35. It is showing 35. Again, if I go here, date 40. If I go here, date 42. Okay. Date 42. Okay. So for me, only these two machines are showing the same date time. Yes or no? But remaining machines and all different time they are showing, correct? This is showing 26, okay, 31, okay, 35, 40, okay, 42, 42. Okay, this is what it is showing. Okay, so there is no guarantee that, okay, see, and again, okay, so now I have only 6 machines. What in case, okay, if you are setting up a cluster with 1,000 nodes, by the time, okay, you go and check each and every server date and time, okay, it will become, okay, it will take more than 1 hour. Or maybe it will take, okay, it may take, okay, some 15-20 minutes minimum. Even you are very fast. But okay, with the single command, I want to know the date, okay, in each and every machine. Is it possible? I want to run a command parallelly in all the machines. Parallelly in all the machines, okay? If you want to do something like that, okay, you can use cluster shell. Cluster shell is nothing but, okay, is a kind of a software which you can run in the clusters, okay, to run some commands parallelly. Okay, so but okay, we need to, so we installed cluster shell software as part of our base VM creation, but we didn't do the configuration. Okay, so if you want to do the configuration, just open the cluster shell configuration file. Okay, so here open, okay, and okay, do this in name node machine only. Okay, and it is optional in real time. Why it is optional in real time, guys? Okay, so cluster shell is very powerful tool, guys. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so now I'm making the changes to the configuration file. Okay, in which machine I'm doing? S3N1 machine. Okay, so here everything is empty. Okay, now append below lines at the end of the file. Okay, so here I'm appending. Okay, what I'm appending is here. Okay, I'm creating some groups here. Okay, what is the group name I created? Huh?
The secondary name node,
NN.
node,
Okay.
secondary node,
Secondary name node, DN,
data node.
Hadoop,
data
all.
node, Hadoop.
Okay. So under NN group, okay, I put 181 IP address. Why I put 181 IP address? Because this is the name node machine, correct? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir. Mm.
Under SNN secondary name node, I put 182 machine. Okay. Why so? Because okay, my idea is to install secondary name node in 182 machine, correct or not? Okay. But okay, under DN, okay, under DN group, okay, I put okay, 3 IPs. Why? These are the 3 machines where I'm going to run the data node service. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the machine. Okay. These are the 3 machines where I'm going to run the data node service. Okay. This is the machine where I'm going to run name node service. This is the machine where I'm going to run secondary name node service. This is the machine where I'm running data node service. Okay. And okay, what is this Hadoop?
All together, sir.
When I say Hadoop, okay, it is like, okay, name node plus second name node plus data node machines. My idea. Okay. Name node plus second name node plus data node. All these together, okay, will come under Hadoop. Hadoop group. All means, okay, Hadoop plus edge node. Okay. So here I added the 186. This is the group. These are the groups I created now. Okay. Clear, guys? Where I created these groups? In the cluster configuration. In the cluster shell configuration file. Okay, so save it and close it. Okay, now how do you check whether this command is working or not? Okay, now what I'm doing here, cache is a command -g. So I'm passing the group. Okay, so okay, before this, okay, we will see. These are the groups. Okay, now I will say clash, okay, -g, okay, nn, okay, -b. Here I'll give the command date. Then what it is showing, what it is doing, guys. Okay, I passed NN group. So whatever the IP addresses we have given under NN group, okay, it is getting the date time for that machine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I pass SNN, it will get the date time for 182 machine. Okay. What in case if I pass, okay, DN here?
Data node.
What it is doing? It is parallelly, it is connecting to each and every machine, okay, and getting the time. Okay, so here, okay, 183 and 185, these two are having same date time, but 184 is having 39 different date time. Understand? Understand, guys? Okay. Now, okay, what if I give okay Hadoop also here? How many machines it is taking? Hadoop means okay, your IP addresses.
All this one.
181 to 185. All are having same date time. Okay. Now if I use all, now it is showing all the 6 machines. Okay. But out of 6 machines, okay, 5 machines are having same date time. Okay, 1 machine is having separate date time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, 181 to 185 are having 7. Okay, the same date time. 186 is having 18. Sir, Srinivasan sir, I don't know why you unmute yourself. Okay, there is a lot of noise sir, from your side. If there is any question, okay, please unmute and ask the question. Okay, otherwise you are disturbing 50 plus people. Yeah. Okay, so here /-g all date. It means okay. So here what you are doing, you are getting the output parallelly. See, okay, with one command, you are getting the date time from all the 6 machines. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow, okay, if I have 1000 IP addresses, what I will do under all, okay, I will give all 1000 IP addresses. Okay, I will run one command. That one command will contact all the 1000 IP addresses and will give me the output. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the command okay, which is running parallel command. Okay, so okay, on set of nodes, okay, based on the group you have given. Okay, so these groups, okay, we will create okay these groups based on our requirement. Understand? Based on our requirement. Okay, so now, okay,
Sir, what if all nodes of the cluster are not started in same time?
it can, okay, yeah, that's what I'm coming now. Okay, so definitely here, okay, there are few nodes having same date time, okay, and few nodes are having different date time. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But what is our rule? When I say Hadoop cluster, okay, whatever machine is in the Hadoop cluster, okay, that machine, okay, whatever the machines we have in the Hadoop cluster, all the machines should have same date and time. Okay, but is it the case here?
No, sir. Different
No,
times.
okay. Different times we have. Okay, so now how to set up a common date time across all the machines? How to set up? Okay.
Is there any use for that, sir?
Huh?
If the all machines are in same time and a date, is there any rule or
Tell me, sir.
Is it necessary to log in with the same time? That's
Okay. Okay. So okay, here okay, we have a file which is called okay NTP software which we install. You remember?
yes, sir? Yes, sir.
NTP
Yes,
software.
sir. There's
sir.
something
Yes.
to time.
Network
Time protocol software. Okay. Where and all okay. So this software is there. Okay. This software is there in the base machine. Okay. Installed in the base machine. If it is installed in base machine means it has come to all the machines. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
It means okay, this software is in all the machine. Okay. If this software is in all the machines, okay, it means okay, this configuration file will be available in each and every machine.
Yes.
Will you agree with me?
Agreed, sir.
Okay. So now, okay, let us see the content of this file. Okay, on H3N1 machine. Let us see the content of this one here. Cat etc ntp.conf. Or okay, otherwise, what I will do. Okay. Normally, what this will contain is what this will contain. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just okay. Okay. What this command is doing is What this command is doing?
Viewing the file and searching for server.
So it is checking all the lines, okay, starting with server. Do you have any lines here, guys? Do you have any lines here?
No.
Okay, we will do one thing, sir, here. Okay, in the setting up your lab, okay, what we will do? Okay. Okay, now let us check the servers. Okay, so here, okay. Now in the ntp.conf file, okay, so what you have? You have server 0. Okay, so in this ntp.conf file, you have these are the servers we have. What are the servers, sir? These are the servers we have. Okay. In this also, okay, like this, okay, I will check in each and every machine. In second machine, third machine, same. Okay. Fourth machine also same. Fifth machine also same. Sixth machine also same. Okay. So what are the servers, guys? This is the information we have in each and every machine. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Okay. So what are the servers, guys? Okay, normally what will happen when you start Linux machine? What will happen? When you start a Linux machine, what will happen? So how, okay, Linux machine will have, okay, will have the correct, will set the correct data when it is starting. Okay. So what each Linux machine will do, each Linux machine will connect to any one of these servers. Will connect to any one of these servers. Okay. And set the time from these servers. That is the reason, okay, even if you, okay, if you set a different date time to any machine and restart the machine, automatically once the machine is restarted, okay, it will reset back to the correct date time. How it is happening? Because of these servers. But okay, what we thought, okay, in real time, so do you think, okay, each and every machine will have internet access in real time? Huh?
No, sir. No.
No,
No,
they will
sir.
not have internet access. Okay. So when they don't have internet access, okay, how they can connect to these servers? When they don't have internet access, how they can connect to these servers? Tell me.
From DNS.
No. How they can connect? Okay, see, if you have if you have internet access, I can connect. If I have internet access to this machine, okay, my machine can connect to any one of the server and get the latest time. Okay, but internet access is not there. Okay, it means, okay, they cannot connect to these servers. If you don't have internet access in your laptop, can you connect to these servers? Huh?
No.
You cannot connect to these servers. Okay, so in real time also you will not be having internet access to any of these machines. Okay, so then, okay, when you don't have internet access, what is the point of having these servers? No use, right? No use, right? Okay, so okay, in real time, how this will work actually? In real time, okay, you will have a separate machine here. Okay, so here, okay, real time, what they'll do first, they'll comment, okay, all these things here. Okay, now if I want to comment all these things in all the machines, okay, do I need to execute the same command or not? What is the command? Okay, I'll execute to comment. Okay, maybe I'll execute this command. This is the command I will use. Okay, any line starting with server, any line starting with server, So you comment it like this one. This is the command I will execute. Okay. But I want to repeat the same step in all the 6 missions. Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So in that scenario, what I will do, since I need to run the same command in the 6 machines, can I use clutch here? Huh?
Yes.
I'll use clutch here. Okay. So what I will do, okay, using clutch command, I'm commenting this in each and every machine. Commented or not? Huh? See, in all the machines I commented clutch -g all, and this is the command I executed, okay, in all the machines. Okay. I told clutch, okay, hey, this is the command you execute in all the machines. Clutch executed this command in all the machines.
Sir, what is this -G and -B, sir, in the command?
Okay, where, sir?
Clutch
It's okay, group name.
Okay.
Okay.
And -B?
-B means, okay, so sort the output based on the group.
Okay,
Here,
it will
I will show you.
give the
Okay, so
output.
plus -g all. Okay. I will do just date. How you are saying your date? For each one, for everything you are seeing separately, correct? Okay.
Yes.
But if I say -b, what it will show?
All comes.
Whoever is having same output, he will group them,
Batch.
batch them. Okay. Understand? So here, all these 5 machines are having same date time, and okay, 186 having separate time.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Got it? Yeah. Okay.
సార్
So now,
డౌట్ ఏంటంటే అవి ఒక్కసారిగా మనం టైం సెట్ చేయకపోతే కమాండ్స్ ఏమైనా వర్క్ కావా లేదా దానివల్ల ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా అది డౌట్ యాక్చువల్లీ
no. Okay. If you don't execute, okay, if you don't have time servers, what will happen? Okay, if the time is changed, if somebody
అదే
changed the time, okay, that will not be reset. Suppose, okay, now today time is, okay, let's say, okay, you take our system time, sir. Okay, so now the time is, okay, 7:55. Okay, we are on March 10th and the time is 7:55. Will you agree with me?
ఎస్ సార్
Huh? March 10th, okay, and time is 7:55. Okay, but okay, I'm changing my system date time to, okay, March 8th, okay, 10 o'clock
మాన్యువల్లీ
manually. Okay, if I don't have this time servers, what will happen? Okay, my system will run with that date time only,
ఓహ్ రాంగ్ టైం ఓకే
wrong time only. Will continue running with the wrong time only.
ఓకే
Understand? Okay, but okay, is it a correct thing running with the wrong time?
ఎస్
No, right? Okay, so what to do? What to do? So you need to reset it actually. Okay, so in real time, what they will do is in real time, okay, so you will have something called, okay, in real time also you will have all these servers commented. Okay, they will comment all these servers. Okay, you will have something called, this is the real time. Real time is in office, it will work. You will have a time server. There will be a separate machine, guys. Okay, there will be time server, okay, which have access to internet. Okay, what this time server will do, inside this time server they'll put the IP address, okay, this host name. Then what will happen? Okay, so this time server, okay, will whenever you are starting this time server, it will go and get the time from these machines. Okay, so only at the starting of the time, or okay, every 5 minutes also it will go and check whether I have correct date time or not. Every 5 minutes also this time server will go and check whether I have the correct date time or not. Understand? Okay, in real time this is the time server. Okay, so what they will do, okay, so when it's a time server, okay, this will have an IP address, right? The IP address is, okay, let's say 167 dot, okay, 10 dot 1 dot, okay, 5 dot 10. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, in real time what they will do, each and every Hadoop node, they put this information. Okay, so here, okay, your server equal to 10 dot 1 dot 5 dot 10. Understand? If I put like this, what will happen, guys? Each and every place, okay, I will put like this. Now tell me what will happen.
Each and every node is connected to time.
So now, whenever I start this machine, okay, since okay, I have server as 10.1.5, okay, each and every machine, all these machines, okay, all these machines will connect to this machine. Okay, see, if I say, okay, contact 0.centwise.pool.ntp, then it will contact that server. If I say contact at this time server, it will contact the time server. Okay, so whatever details we have in the configuration file, it will follow that case. Okay, so what is there in the configuration file? To whom I need to contact if I want to get a correct date time server? Yes or no?
Yes.
I need to contact 10.1.5.10.
This
Okay.
time server need not to be in our in our
our
cluster.
Hadoop cluster. No. Okay, this time server will not be in our Hadoop cluster.
Who will give this detail then in the real time?
So if you want, okay, so normally, okay, these details will be given by Linux team.
Okay.
Understand? Okay, so Linux team will be maintain these time servers actually. Okay, understand or any questions? Okay, so this is the real time. This is the real time. Okay, in real time they will manage like this. Okay, but now if I want to go like real time, I need one extra VM. Correct or not? So
Yes, sir.
okay, see, for me I have 64 GB RAM. Okay, creating one more VM will not take is okay for me. But if you have 16 GB RAM, okay, you're already running with 6 VMs. Can you run parallelly one more VM, 7 VMs at a time? No, your
No,
system
sir. No.
will go to unstable. Okay, so for our practice, this is not possible. Correct or not? Huh?
Yes.
Yes or no? So what I will do in our practice, okay, so here our practice. In our practice, okay, what we will do. So I will give access to name node. Understand? In the name node machine, I will enable these ones. Okay, but in the data nodes and all, okay, what I will do, okay, I will put a server 100.168.56.181. And what will happen? Tell me, guys, now. Now tell me. In real time, we'll have a separate time server, but okay, in our practice, okay, we cannot have extra machine. So that is the reason, okay, for practice purpose, okay, I'm enabling. Anyway, I see here, okay, I have one internet access here to name node. Okay, now if you see google.com, I have internet access, right, to this machine. So I'm enabling internet access only for name node. Okay, and okay, I'm allowing name node to contact these servers and get the right time. Okay. So now what will happen? Okay, other machines in the cluster will follow name node now. Yes or no? Whatever the time name node is having, all other machines will have the same date time. Got it? Got it, guys? Whatever name node time is have, okay, whatever the name node time we have, the same date time will be taken by all other 5 VMs. Clear?
Sir, in real time, do we give internet access to name node?
No. In real time, okay, see, do you have internet access here? So, okay, so no internet. Understand? In real time, okay, so no internet access. Okay, here access to internet. In our practice, what we are doing? Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very simple, sir. Okay. See, time reset will happen based on this configuration file. Whatever servers you mentioned here, okay, So it will contact this server and get the new date time and reset it here. Understand? Suppose in this machine, if you put
Sir, excuse me.
in this machine, if you put server www.google.com, yes, it will contact www.google.com and get the new time and reset it here. Yes, sir, tell me.
Sir, without having no internet access to the name node in real time, okay, how could it provide the, how could it have the IP address, sir?
Sir, to have IP address, do you need internet access?
You said that in real time,
I
you
can
don't.
connect in the LAN, right? LAN network, right? Without the internet.
Okay, okay.
Sir, okay, if I have LAN, local area network, I'll get IP address. For that, I don't require internet.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Got it?
Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now in our practice, what we are doing is, okay, we are giving access to internet. Access to internet means, okay, we are enabling these servers, okay, in name node machine. Okay. To do that, what I'm doing here, okay, see here. Now, first of all, okay, I commented in all the machines. Okay, I commented in all the machines. All the 6 machines, nobody is having any these details actually. Nobody is having these details. Okay. Now, okay, here, okay, what I'm doing, try to understand, guys. Okay. -w. W means, okay, run on this host name. What is this host name -i? When I use anything, okay, like this, okay, host name -i means, okay, if I type host name -i, what is the IP it is showing? Okay, current machine IP, current name node IP. Okay, so and again I am running in the name node machine only. Okay, so /-w, this command. Okay, command. Okay, what I'm doing, okay, on the name node machine, okay, you uncomment any line starting with hash. Understood? Okay. Otherwise, okay, we can do one thing actually. Okay. Okay. Uncomment if any line starting with hash server, uncomment this one. Uncommented. Okay. And except this current host, in the remaining and all, okay, you pass like this actually. You pass like this. Okay, I'm passing this one. Now, okay, you see, okay. See here, guys, what are you trying? In first machine configuration, okay, what I have? Internet servers. Yes or no? That is what our idea, right here. Okay, first machine, let it go with the internet servers. Okay, so it means, okay, here, okay, you see name node 181 is a name node machine. 181 machine, okay, we have internet servers, and 182 to 186, 182 to 186, what I have given. Okay, here in the configuration, I told that, okay, you take time from this machine, 181 machine. So here 181 is taken from internet. Okay, rest all the machines are taken from 181. Clear? So it means, okay, what, okay, these 5 machines will do every 5 minutes. Okay, every 5 minutes. Okay, all these 5 machines will contact name node machine, and whatever the time we have in the name node, it will take that time and it will reset here. Okay, and every 5 minutes, okay, this name node machine will connect to any one of these servers. Whatever the time, okay, we have in these servers, it will reset the time to that. It means, okay, even if you set a wrong time, within 5 minutes, name node will correct it to right time. Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now this is done. Okay. So now we made the configuration changes, but okay, after making the configuration changes, do you need to restart the service or not? There is a service running here. Okay. What the service? NTPD service, which is running here, which will work with this new configuration file. Okay. Now I'm restarting the service. restarting. See, I made changes in all the 6 machines. So I'm restarting the service in all the 6 machines. Okay. In real time, Clutch will make your life very, very easy, guys. Okay, because if you want to run one command on 1000 nodes, it is not possible to log in each and every node and run the command. Okay, so but using Clutch, I will log into name node and from there, I will use Clutch. Whatever the command I want to run, I will give clutch-g that group and I'll give that command. Got it? Got it. Okay. Now, so here, what I will do, we will see. Okay, now you see guys, 181 is following whom? Internet servers. Yes or no? 181 is following the internet servers. 182 is following S3 and 1.
Yes, sir.
183 is following S3 and 1.
Excellent.
184 is following S3 and 1. 185 is following S3 and 1. 186 is following S3 and 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how you can check that. Okay, who is following what? Okay. So now, let us do one thing. So for the first time, let us sync the time. Let us sync ourselves, manual sync. Otherwise, I need to wait 5 minutes, right, to sync all the machines correct time. So now, first time, what I did, I corrected the time, manually. So now you run the command, /-g all date. Now you see, all are having including milliseconds, all are having same date time. No, correct?
Yes,
All
sir.
machines are having same date time. Any questions till now, guys? So we started with so here once our servers are ready to install Hadoop. First what we did, we are not directly starting with the Hadoop installation. First we are creating passwordless from name node machine to all other machines. For which user? HTTP user. After that, what we are doing, we created again in the name node machine, we created the Clutch configuration. So we
Sir,
created groups
excuse
like
me.
yes, sir. Tell me.
Sir, is this Clutch command is used only in name node?
Yes, sir. The same command will not work in other nodes.
Data nodes, it will not work.
Sir, one question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this Clutch is default program in Linux or
No. You need to install separately, sir.
install separate package, right, sir?
Yes.
It's a very good tool actually. First time I am hearing. Otherwise, I used to use for loop kind of thing.
Yes, sir. So for loop Clutch is better, right? Parallel operation.
Yes,
For
yes.
the serial operation.
This facility is available in Oracle Linux servers where we have DCLI. So it's
That is also yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, we have similar to Clutch. We have PDSH command. Different commands are there, sir. Not only Clutch.
Okay, sir. Okay, good, sir. Thank you.
Venkat, just a general question. So basically, in SSH, communication will happen to and fro. Like from 3 to 1 also, person can log in or not allowed. Just because I.
Sorry.
No, that is not allowed. It's
Sir,
only
actually, from SSH, now we copied SSH public key from 1 to 3 and all 1 to all the machines. So it is through to and fro communication. Means 6 can communicate with the same privileges with 1, and 1 can communicate with the same privileges to 6. Yes, like that.
No, sir. So here, to work with your Clutch operation, you should have a passwordless SSH also.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, for Clutch, yeah. Okay, got it.
For Clutch, we require passwordless SSH.
No, from means Clutch can be attempted from data nodes also. No.
Sorry. Clutch
See
will
now
not work
here.
from data node. Yeah. See, that's what. See, when I run the same Clutch command from data node, it is saying that no node to run. And error. It is showing errors.
Okay, because it is configured only in
that is the reason it is working only in name node.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, so even in real time
What's
also
the name of
they
the
will
package to be installed for using Clutch command?
Yes, okay, I'm going to explain that. Okay, I've seen your message. Okay, if you remember, okay, this one, okay, see here. Okay, you need to install, okay, EPL release and cluster shell. Can you see this one? Okay, so cluster shell command will work only after installing EPL release.
Yes, sir. I think we have already installed this one.
Yes. Got it. Got it or any questions?
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Class need to be installed on all the servers or only one server? From where?
Sir, okay, see, let it be installed in all the machines, but okay, we use it only from one machine.
Right, sir. That's sir. I mean, like we have some 200 servers. So can we install on one server and
use it? Okay, that's fine.
Okay, sir. That's fine.
Yeah,
Thank
you need to install cluster okay, software in all the machines.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
From where you fire your command from in that machine, okay, cluster would be there.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Fine, guys. Okay. So far, what and all we did, guys? So far, okay, we enable passwordless search from first machine to all other machines. Then okay, we created the class groups. Enable the cluster groups. This is also done. Okay. After that, okay. So set the end server. Okay. So here, create passwordless search.
Sir, in the document you mentioned for the real time, you cannot use one comment I can see.
Yes, sir. Okay, I will tell you one thing, sir. Okay. Okay, using the same command. Okay. Okay. I want to copy one file to. Okay. I want to copy one file to 1000 machines, sir. Can I use clash command? You can use. Using clash, you have one file. You want to copy that file to 1000 machines. It will work. Okay. In the same way, can I delete a file from 1000 machines? Yes, right?
Yes, we can do this.
There is a configuration file. Okay. I can delete with one command. I can delete this configuration file from all 1000 machines. Okay. So clash is very good if you use in a good way. Okay. Clash is very bad. Okay. With one command, you can destroy entire cluster. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, guys? Sudo rm-rf slash one command you give in clash-g all sudo rm-rf and press enter and sit for go for a coffee break and come back. What will happen? Very dangerous command.
Yeah.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir. It will remove all.
Yes, it will destroy entire cluster, which is very, very dangerous. Okay. That is the reason in real time, okay. This clash, okay, people will install clash for sure. Okay, but okay, only very, very senior people will have access to this clash. Understand? Not all. So we have altogether we have 200 members admin team. In the 200 admins team, only 3 people are having access, clash access. So if I run using my ID, if I run a clash command, it will not work for me because I'm not in that 3. You got my point?
Sir, how can we give clash command execution permissions only to 3 members when they are all in that group?
You can, madam. You can. Okay. You can give actually. It means So in real time, now I enable passwordless SSH. Okay. So their passwordless SSH is enabled only for those 3 users, not for all the users. That is the reason. Suppose now, let us take this scenario, madam. Okay. So now when I run clash command, is it working for me in H3N1? Working, right?
Yes, sir. It's
okay. Now I will log in as Allen. Allen, same mission, H3N1 mission only. Allen is running clash command. Is it working for Allen?
No.
Why?
You don't have
SDP user is working. For SDP user it is working. For Allen it is not working. What is the reason?
he does not have access.
So to run this clutch command, we should have passwordless SSH. Okay.
Okay.
Did we enable passwordless SSH for Alan?
No.
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 We enable passwordless SSH for HTTP user. That is the reason clutch is working. Understood.
Sir, we can segregate is using sudo word, sir.
No, not sudo words. Okay. So, sir, in real time, okay, you cannot create passwordless SSH, okay, to all the machines using your ID. Got it? Okay. So for cluster operations itself, okay, they will create a separate user ID. Only that user ID will be known to very few senior admins, not all the people. Understand?
Sir, is there any alternate way to install for the?
No, sir. Okay, see, I would say this is very dangerous command, and giving access to, okay, all the people is very, very dangerous. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, so time also done. Okay, now if we see, all the servers are having same date time. All the servers are having same date time. Okay. Now, okay, so now it is time to install Hadoop. Okay. So where can I download Hadoop software? Where can I download? Okay. So this is the place where you can download the Hadoop software. Okay. You log into this machine. In Windows, okay, you log into this machine. Okay. Here, okay. Okay, so okay, you go back this one. Okay, this is the location. This is the core. Okay. Inside this one, okay, you can see each version, guys. So the first version they started on 2008. Understand? The first Hadoop release has happened on 2008, January 22. Okay. 0.1, 0.10, 0.11, 12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 16, 18, 19, 0.20. Okay. 1.0, 1.1, okay, 1.2. Okay. See, whatever version you see starting with 0 point or 1 point, okay, that is called as a Hadoop 1x. Understood, guys? See, Hadoop, okay, is giving you the versions from day one. Okay. See, whatever the version they released in 2008, okay, that also you can download today. Got it? Okay. So now it is up to you which version you want to install. If you want to install 1x, you can install 2x, you can install. Okay. So here what we are doing, okay. So up to, okay, any version starting with the Hadoop 0 point or 1 point, that is Hadoop 1x. Okay. Any Hadoop version starting with 2, that is Hadoop 2x. Okay. Any Hadoop version starting with 3, that is Hadoop 3x. Understand? Okay. So now if you see here, okay, we have Hadoop, okay, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 also released. Okay. But okay, which version of Hadoop they are using in real time? Currently, everybody is using 3.2.0. Okay, even though there are multiple releases, immediately people will not upgrade, guys, because okay, these are all open source tools. We don't know, okay, what bugs we will have. Okay. So everybody is using Hadoop 3.2.0. Understand? Understand,
Yes.
guys? Okay. Or if you want to install Hadoop 3.3.0 also, that is fine. Okay. So you can download this one, Hadoop 3.3.0. So what I will do, okay, Hadoop 3.3.0 only we will install. Okay, Hadoop 3.3.30 only. Okay, so now inside this one, okay, so what we need to install? We need to install Hadoop 3.3.0 tar.gz. Okay, this is the one which you need to download. Okay, tar.gz, download this one. Okay, but okay, this may take some time, guys. Okay, 478 MB it is there. Let's wait. Hopefully, it
For
will
the
be
versions difference for only extra features, sir. They will ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, bug fixes are extra features. Yes.
So is there interviews? They will ask any differences, sir, for 3.0 to 3.3.
Huh. Okay, they will ask, sir. Okay, definitely they will ask. Okay, I will show you. I will tell you what are the differences. Okay, it is downloading. So what I will do here now? In my place, okay, step 1 Hadoop tools. I'll delete Hadoop 3.2.0 and I'll put that one already there.
Sir, in real time, how they will upgrade? First, they will do it in test machines, or they will go directly and install it in cluster. So, in real time, how if they want to, upgrade a Hadoop version, how they will do?
I will show you in the upgrade class, sir. Okay. So we have different modules, right? Okay, we have a upgrade module also. How they upgrade the Hadoop cluster, I will show you. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Sir, yesterday we have not gone through those tar commands. Sir.
Which one, sir?
Tar commands, compression, dependence.
This is the tar command. Okay. So what is tarball, guys? What is tarball? In Windows, okay, we call it a zip file, right? Huh? In Windows, okay, we call it as a zip file. Okay. In Linux, okay, we call it as a tarball. Tarball is nothing but a zip file. Okay. So and any open source software will come like a zip file. You need to unzip it and you need to use it. Okay. So it is not like a normal software installation. You will not have something like next and all. So almost 385, 380, 390 MB downloaded.
So Venkat, we need to go this folder and then we need to how we need to download this as a tar? Can you tell once?
How you download means, okay, so you click on this one, so it is downloading now for me.
Okay, Hadoop, the one 3. tar.gz I need to.
Yes, that is what I'm giving here. Okay. You search for this one. Control C. Search for this one. Okay, this is the one.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. So almost done. Okay. So what I will do, I will put this software in this file into separate directory. All right. Done. Okay, this is the one. What I will do, I'll put it here. Okay. So now I downloaded here, right? So now what I will do, using WinSCP command. Using WinSCP, I will copy to 181 machine. Here, okay, so I will create a new site. Okay, I will put a 181. I'll put root username and password. Click on login. Okay, so now you can see Hadoop 3.3.0 in Windows. This is Windows side and this is Linux side. Okay, just copy this 3.3.0. Drag it here. Okay, yes. Okay, Hadoop 3.30. So in which machine I copied, guys, now? In which machine? Okay, so what I did, okay, I downloaded this one. I download, okay, so tarball is to download, okay, so download. Okay.
Name node machine copied, sir.
Download below. Okay, so Hadoop tarball from below location. So here is the tarball name. Tarball name. Okay, and okay, download
Sir,
location.
what is tarball?
I explained right just now. Tarball means kind of a zip file.
Venkat, how much is the size of this downloaded file? Means for me, it is coming as 477 MB. Not
Correct.
sure if correct.
Same
Okay,
thing.
okay, then. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So now what I will do? Okay. So download Hadoop Tarball from below location into your Windows machine. Into your Windows machine. Into your laptop, Windows machine otherwise. Now using WinSCP. Okay. Okay. So here I'll put this one. Download Hadoop Tarball. Okay. From neighbor location. Okay. Into Windows machine. Okay. So using WinSCP, copy the Hadoop 3.tar.gz tarball to from your Windows downloads folder to where www.html location h3 and 1. Okay. Then push this tarball to all other machines. Okay. So now, okay, using WinSCP, I copy it to first machine. Okay. Now if you see, okay, in the first machine, do I have h3 and 1? Okay. Do we have Hadoop 3.3.0? Yes or no? Now, okay, do I need to install Hadoop in all the machines or not?
Yes, sir, we have to.
So now the software, okay, so the software file is available in first machine. This is the software, okay? Download Hadoop. Download Hadoop. Okay. Which location? Okay. Which location it is, guys? Where www.html. This is the location. This is the location. What is the file name here? File name is, this is the
Hadoop 3.3.
file name. This is the file name. Okay. So it came to which machine? It came to first machine now. Yes or no? Okay. Do we need to install Hadoop in all the 6 machines or not required?
Yes, sir, we need to install.
Only first machine is fine. No, you need to install in all the machines. Okay. So now if you see in all the machines, we don't have this software. Yes or no? Do we have this Hadoop software? No. Okay. So now what I will do, using clutch command, okay, I will copy this to all the machines. Okay, I'm copying this to temporary location in all the machines. I'm copying this to all the 5 machines. Clutch-g all -- copy. What to copy? This file. Where? The destination to all the machines except this machine. Okay. So now it is copied to temp location. Okay. After that, what I will do? From temp location, I will move it to where www.html location. Okay. Temp location to where www.html location. Okay. Now if you see in all the machines, okay, whether we have Hadoop software or not. Now I'm saying clutch-g all. In all the machines, okay, I have Hadoop software in all the 6 machines. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I have Hadoop software in all the 6 machines. What next? Okay. Do the cleanup activity if you are using old Hadoop servers. Okay. Hadoop servers.
I have a small doubt. Like
Yes,
we are having 6 missions, right? If I want to install in only 3 missions, can we use Clutch and do that?
Clutch and put. Okay. So you create your own group with those 3 machines.
Okay.
Here, okay, you created the Clutch groups, right? Okay. So here, okay, you create one more thing like okay, my group and put those 3 machines. And okay, wherever you say clutch-g all, okay, instead of all, okay, you put my group. Then okay, the command will work only in those 3 machines, not all the machines. Got it? Since we are passing, okay, all,
okay,
it is installing in all the places. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do the cleanup activity for using older servers.
Sir, why we are copying to temp folder initially instead of the target folder?
Yeah. So, sir, okay. So, Clutch cannot directly copy to okay where www.html folder because okay, that folder is owned by a root user actually. That is the reason. Okay, we are copying to temp folder first. From temp folder, we are moving to Where WSTML using sudo. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So do the cleanup activity, optional. Okay, not required if you're using new VMs. Okay. Anyway, we are using new VMs, right? So these two steps are not required. But even if you run these two steps, also not a problem. Okay. So what these two steps will do? To all the machines, if previously Hadoop is installed, it will delete. Got it? Okay. But anyway, okay, we have taken the fresh clones. Okay, Hadoop not installed in any of those machines. Okay. So now from class node, what I'm doing. Okay. So from class node, what I'm doing, try to understand, guys. Okay. Okay. Now I have the software, Hadoop software available in each and every machine. Correct or not? Using Clash, I push to all the machines. Here, okay. .gz means it is a zip file. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm unzipping it. Okay. But where I'm unzipping? To which location? To user local. So user local. This is the location where I'm unzipping this software, Hadoop software. Okay. So why only this location? Can I use any other location? You can use any other location. Okay. But normally, okay, so user softwares will be installed under user local. Okay. So this is our software. Okay. So I'm installing in this machine under user local. Okay. So let's enter. Now what is happening? Okay. See, it unzipped in all the machines, guys. It unzipped in all the machines. Okay. Now, how to check whether it is unzipped properly or not? Okay. So here, grep. How to check whether it is unzipped properly or not? Okay. Check for this one. We told, okay, under user local, right? Now, in all the machines, okay, under user local, do we have Hadoop 3.3.0 folder? Huh? It is there, but unfortunately, it is having some username and user and owner, okay, some different numbers, which is not correct. That is the reason what I'm doing. So first, okay, I'm changing the ownership. Okay, first, okay, I'm creating a soft link, guys. I'm creating a soft link. Okay, every time it is not possible for me to type, okay, 3.3.0 version number and all. That is the reason, okay, I created a soft link for this one. Okay, then, okay, I'm changing the ownership to HTTP user, because okay, so we are going to install, okay, Hadoop with HTTP user, right? So I'm changing it to HTTP user. Okay, now, okay, now the one. So in all the machines, okay, we have Hadoop software installed, and okay, this is point, and okay, created a soft link which is pointed to this Hadoop software. Correct. So Hadoop installation is done now, guys. Hadoop installation is done. Okay. What next? What next?
But we just
unzip
entered
the
it,
software.
yes.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
unzip the software. That is like installation.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. So now what I'm doing here, okay, what I'm doing, okay, class hyphen, okay, I'm going to create, okay, a logs directory, guys. Logs directory. In all the machines, I'm creating a logs directory. Okay. And I'm changing the permissions to 777. Logs directory 777. Okay. Then, okay, and I'm okay for each disk. Okay, so MNT disk one. Okay, the owner of second hard disk, third hard disk, fourth hard disk. Okay, I'm making like HTTP user. HTTP user. Okay, I will tell you why. Okay, we are making it like this. Now, okay, so now Hadoop is installed, right? Okay, can I delete Hadoop? Otherwise, okay, what will happen? Okay, now the same Hadoop software, okay, 480 MB software, it is there in 6 VMs, 6 into 6 480s. Lot of space waste, right? Okay, so now I'm deleting this one. I will keep one copy in the name node. Okay, I will keep this tarball, and again all the machines, okay, I'm deleting the tarball. Okay, understand? So I kept only one copy now, only one 400 MB. 480 MB. Okay, tomorrow if I want to reinstall Hadoop, okay, then okay, I will push this file to all other nodes and I will reinstall. Okay, but installation is completed, right? Okay, so I don't require this tarball. Okay, so now installation is done.
Venkat, in real time, also we'll keep means how we'll from where we'll download this tar file or.
Sir, in real time also you will download from the same folder, sir.
Okay.
This is Apache website, sir. This is not my own website.
Got it, got it. But sir, there is a possibility, yes, that they will be keeping in common repository, everything what you want, you need to copy it from there, yes, like kind of in.
Sir, okay, normally, okay, suppose, okay, if you don't have access to download the software, so then you need to contact someone, okay, where they can provide you local repository.
Okay, got it, yes.
Got it. Okay.
So from local, we can copy from SCP, like someone can push or.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Using SCP also you can copy. Using Clutch also, if you want to do through SCP, it will take a lot of time because SCP is a serial operation. But if you want to push the files parallelly, then you can use Clutch. Got it?
Okay, sir, yeah, got it, yeah.
Yeah. Now, okay, software is, okay, so now this is the tarball software file. We extracted to which location? User local. Okay, so here, okay, Hadoop, okay, -1 3.3.0. This is the location where we extracted. Okay. After extracting, I require this software, not required. Okay. So I extracted each and every machine, like I extracted this location. Okay. Each and every machine. Okay. Now after extracting, okay, if I go and check inside this one, CD, okay, user local Hadoop. Okay. Inside this one, if I see, there is something called, okay, there is something called etc directory. Okay, cd etc Hadoop. Okay, so here this is the location, guys. What is the location here? This is user local Hadoop etc Hadoop. So here, okay, I have so many configuration files. These are all Hadoop configuration files, guys. But unfortunately, these are all empty configuration files. Understand? These are all empty configuration files. Okay. Clear? Are any questions? So how many? Okay. So how many configuration files we have? How many configuration files we have? Okay. There are almost 32 configuration files we have. Right? In each and every machine. Okay. So 32 configuration files we have. Okay. After unzipping, okay, in each and every machine, okay, we have 32 empty configuration files. Empty configuration files we have now. Okay. So first, okay, I installed Hadoop in user local. Okay, user local. Do you think, okay, how your Linux machine will automatically understand? Okay, so Venkat, I installed Hadoop 3.3.0 in local machine under user local. Will Linux understand automatically about the new software which you installed?
I hope no.
No. Okay. Hadoop doesn't see your Linux doesn't understand this is the place where Hadoop is installed. So now you need to tell Hadoop, hey, you need to tell Linux, hey Linux, okay. So this is the place where I installed my Hadoop. Okay. How will you tell that? So using environment variables from OS level and Hadoop level. Okay. So open etc profile file in name node machine. Okay. Open etc profile file. So come down. Okay. Here, what I will do, add below lines from here to here. Understand? Add below line. So from here to here, okay, inside this one. Understood? So here, okay, what I'm trying to do here. Okay, here I'm telling that, okay, hey, this is the place where Java is installed. This is the place where Hadoop is installed. Got it? And this is the place where log directories are available. This is the configuration directory. This is the place where Hadoop configuration files are there. So it means, okay, I'm telling Linux OS that, okay, each and everything about Hadoop. Understand? Huh? Otherwise, okay, your Linux will not understand automatically that, okay, in which machine, okay, which path, okay, Hadoop is installed, what is Hadoop log directory, what is a Hadoop configuration file directory, all this information. Okay, clear. So now I'm updating this in the H3N1 machine. Which file? Which file I updated? EDC profile file. Okay, but okay, if you understand, okay, in each and every machine, okay, we install Hadoop in the same location, right? Here also under /user local. Here also user local. Here also user local. Okay, so it means, okay, whatever I did in first machine, okay, do I need to do in all the machines or not?
Can do.
Okay.
Yes.
Does S3N2 know that where Hadoop is installed? No. Okay. See, S3N1 knows because, okay, we updated in the ETC profile file. The same way we need to update in each and every ETC profile file. Okay. So, but okay, every ETC profile file will have the same content, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So instead of having, okay, updating each and every file, now what I'm doing, I'm copying the updated ETC profile from this machine to all other machines. Understand? So I push to all other machine temp directory. From temp, okay, I'm pushing it to. Now you see, okay, at ETC profile. See now, is it updated or not? Huh? At ETC profile. Yes. Okay. Now every machine knows this property where Hadoop is installed because, okay, we put it here. Okay. Now, okay, to get newly added Hadoop properties refreshed, close all the open sessions and re-log in. So whatever the open sessions you have, close everything. Close everything and, okay, re-log in. N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, and H3H. Okay. Now you log in. Now you say, okay, to check whether properties are, okay, to check whether, okay, Hadoop properties are loaded properly or not. So you need to run a command. What is the case of $Hadoop _ home? Okay. So if you say this one, so what is Hadoop home? In which location Hadoop is installed?
User
Is it
local.
working now? User local Hadoop. Working, right? So it
Yes.
means, okay, now Linux knows where Hadoop is installed. Okay. In the same way, whether Linux knows, okay, where Java is installed, this is the location where Java is installed. Linux knows this one also. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is fine now. Okay. Now in the location of Hadoop configuration files. Okay. Now Hadoop. Okay. So now your OS knows that, okay, where Hadoop is installed. Okay. And where Java is installed. Okay. Now check all the configuration files. So in each and every machine, okay, see if I see user local Hadoop, etc Hadoop, this is the location where you will have Hadoop configuration files. If you see each and every, okay, every node having same configuration files. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All are having same configuration files. Okay. It means, okay, so, but all are empty configuration files. Okay. I have 32 files. Okay. So 32 files. Okay. So now what I need to do, I need to make some changes to the configuration file here. We may not be changing all the configuration file initially, but we need to change some configuration files. Okay. So what are the configuration files we have here? Okay. The first configuration file we are taking is Hadoop env.sh. Okay. Before this, okay, what I will do? Okay. Before this, okay, so I will take this one once again. Test 3 and 1. Here, okay, what I will put, okay, here, okay, SDA, okay, SDA, SDB, is C, SDD. Okay. So how SDA is calculated, guys? So SDA means of a OS disk, yes or no? OS disk. Okay, what is installed here? Hadoop and configuration config files are available here. In the OS disk, what handle is available? This is available. Hadoop is available. Okay. Hadoop configuration files also available. Yes or no? Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here in each machine, okay, we have OS. Okay. Okay. But okay, so here, okay, so what is MNT disk one? Okay, so this is like MNT. SGB is nothing but MNT disk one. Okay. At this moment, it is empty. Yes or no?
Yes.
MNT disk two. Okay. This is also empty. MNT disk three. This is also empty at this moment. Will you agree with me? Now all the machines, okay, empty, empty, empty. Correct or not, guys? Okay. So first disk is installed with OS. OS. Okay. Hadoop. Okay. Hadoop is installed in that machine. So otherwise, I'll put it like OS Hadoop. OS is installed. Java is installed. Hadoop is installed, and others. So now, okay. Now MNT disk is empty. Second hard disk is empty. Third is empty. Fourth is empty in all the machines. Okay. Now, in which disk Hadoop is installed?
No.
OS disk. SDA. Correct. OS disk. Okay. So when Hadoop is installed, okay, you will have some configuration files created, right? Okay. What are the configuration files? Okay. So here, configuration files are, we have 32 empty configuration files we have in each and every machine. Empty configuration files are available in each and every machine. Okay. So now what I will do, I will take one by one. Okay. I will start with the first configuration file is, okay, Hadoop env.sh. This is the first file. Okay. What I will do under Hadoop env.sh, okay, updated Java and other paths. Okay. So I will open, okay, in the name node machine, H3N1 machine, I'll open this one, okay, like this actually. I'll open Hadoop env.sh. Okay, and go to end. Don't touch anything. Okay, go to end. Okay. After that, what I'm telling here in the, okay, add above export lines which are colored in red. Okay, so here there are some red lines here. Only this, not all. Understand, guys? Only till this. Okay. You add these entries in the Hadoop env.sh. Understood, guys? I updated here. Okay, why I'm updating here? Okay, see, OS knows that, okay, where Hadoop is installed. OS knows where Hadoop is installed. Correct or not? Okay, where Java is installed. Okay, but does Hadoop knows where Java is installed? Because, okay, to run Hadoop, okay, we require Java. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, it should know where Java is installed. Understood?
Yes.
Understood or not? Okay. Are any questions? Okay. So, okay, and this will, okay. So here now we have the first file Hadoop env.sh, okay, which is updated with Java and other paths. Okay, and the second file which we have is yarn env.sh. Open this one. Even for this also, to end. Okay, and append these same lines. Append above red lines. Okay. Done. Okay. So yarn env.sh, Hadoop env.sh and yarn env.sh we updated with the same content. Correct or not? Okay. So here updated with Java and other paths. This is yarn env data set. Okay.
One question. Earlier, these were empty, Venkat. So once we put an entries in OS, all those got populated, or how come these empty files?
Sorry.
Earlier, these configuration files were empty. Yes, Venkat.
Yes.
So once we put entries in OS files where we mentioned that these Hadoop is installed here, and in OS we just informed OS, correct? First
Okay.
step. Yeah.
So, sir, okay, first what I did, okay, what we did, okay. First, okay, we updated etc profile.
Yes.
Profile. Okay. So what we updated here, okay. First file, okay, is etc profile file. Okay. But what we updated here in this etc profile file, okay. Updated Java and Hadoop. Java.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
We update, okay, in one machine, and okay, we copied the same file.
We
in all
copied the same to all the machines. Yes, correct, sir.
This is what we did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So after that, okay, so we have 32 empty Hadoop, okay, empty Hadoop config files.
Yes.
No? Hadoop config files. Okay. Now I'm taking one by one now.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it. Now.
Okay. First I'm taking Hadoop env data set. Okay. And I updated the Java and other paths.
So we are populating these all config files now, one by one. Yes.
Yes.
Got it. Thank you.
I opened yarn.esv, yarn env data set, and I updated the Java and other paths. Okay. After that, what I'm doing, okay, after this, okay, I'm opening core site XML. There is a file called core site XML. There is something called core-site XML. This is the file. Okay. I'll open core site XML. Okay. Okay. So here, guys, okay, so we need to be very careful, guys. Okay. In the core site XML, there are two configuration, okay, tags. Okay. Whatever properties you want to put, you should put in between these two tags. You cannot put, okay, before, or you cannot put after also. Okay. Anything you put, okay, you should put between these two. Understand? Okay. But what I'm putting here, okay, so here I clearly told, add all properties between configuration open tag, configuration close tags only. Okay. So here, property. Okay. What is the property here? Here I'm putting, what is this one? Okay. So in core-site XML, we are telling that, okay, what is my name node IP address? In which machine my name node will be running? Understand? Understand, guys? Huh? So there is a core-site XML. This is the file. Okay, updated name node IP address. See, we were telling that, okay, we will start name node in this machine. We will start data node, secondary name node, data node, and all. Okay, but okay, you should tell that to Hadoop, right? Okay, so now I updated. Okay, so what is the T? Hadoop will understand. Okay, Hadoop will go as per this configuration files. Okay, so whatever IP address you put inside this core site XML, Hadoop will think that is name node. Suppose, okay, in this core site XML, if you put, okay, 182, then, okay, what name node will think? What Hadoop will think? Hadoop will think, okay, 182 means this is a name node machine. Understood? Understood, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So we told that, okay, in core site XML, we updated the name node IP address. Okay. After that, okay, so there is something called, okay, there is a file which is called as masters. Okay, you save this one. Okay, open the file masters. Okay, so here I'm updating IP address of secondary name node. The IP address of, as per our plan, what is the IP address of secondary name node, guys? 182. Okay, that one I'm updating here. Okay, here there is a file which is called as masters. Okay, so here, okay, I'm updated secondary name node IP address. Understood, guys? So here I'm updating 182. Okay. See, in the configuration file only I'm telling who is name node, who is secondary name node, who is data nodes. Okay. Understood? After that. Okay. Next, I'll open. Okay. So truncate workers file here. Worker file. Okay. So VI workers file. Inside this one, what I will do, whatever the nodes we are taking like data nodes, okay, update those IP address. So what is our, as per our plan, okay, where and all data nodes will run? 183, 184, 185. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. 184.
185. Okay. So now I updated this 183, 184, 185. Okay. See what it was. Okay. So here, what is the file name here? Workers. Okay. Workers. It is updated with updated data node IP addresses. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any questions? Okay. So next, there is another file which is called as a HDFS-site.xml. HDFS-site.xml. So inside HDFS-site.xml, what we are doing? Okay. I'm putting all this information. Okay. Replication factor 3. Okay. Block size 128 MB. Okay. So let me put all these properties. Till here, okay, I will copy and I will put it on between configuration open tag and close tag. Okay. So close it. I'll explain. Okay. What I put inside this one. What I put inside this one. Okay. So this is the one first. Okay. So I told, okay, what is the replication factor here? Okay. In the updated, okay, so replication factor. I updated like yes or no. And block size equal to 128 MB. Okay. Okay. We told that, okay, what are the metadata files name node will contain? FS image edits. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. FS image edit.
Edits. And okay, so now here I am defining that. What is the location of the FS image? What is the location of FS image? Where it is stored under
MNT discount.
What is MNT discount here? I am using second hard disk. So now it is not empty here. Okay. Now in this hard disk, okay, I will have my FS image. Got it. My centralized metadata I will put inside this hard disk, second hard disk. Okay. After that, okay, edits.
So in real time, we can change based on our.
You can put it where, okay, based on your requirement.
Okay, good.
So edits also I will put inside the same, but in a different directory. Edits also I'll put in a same disk but a different directory. This is separate directory. This is separate directory. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the location of FS image. This is the location of edits. Okay. So this one we updated. This one, okay, we updated here. Okay. So our idea is to change it. Okay. Our idea is to change it. FS image, to put FS image here. Okay. Okay. After that, okay, what is a data disk? Okay. So now we told where metadata should be available, correct or not? Where actual data should be available? Data block locations. Okay. Data blocks. Okay. What is the location of data block? MNT discount data. Okay. So replication factor equal to P, I told block size 128 MB. This is FS image location. This is edit log location. This is data block location. Understand? These two are metadata and this one is actual data. Okay. Then, okay. So okay, there are some more properties. Okay. So this is fine. Okay. So leave it. Okay. So these are the major properties. Okay. So I just did this one. So this is okay. So this is metadata area and this is the actual data area. Okay, actual data blocks. Okay, so now I made these changes. What are the changes I made here? These are the changes I made. Okay, so now these are the changes I made. Okay, I saved it, closed it. So now what I will do? Okay, I will push this to all other nodes. I made changes in only one machine, right? Okay, but okay, is the same changes reflecting in the second machine, third machine, fourth machine, fifth machine, sixth machine?
No, sir. We
No.
do push.
Okay. So, okay, even if a second, third machine should know who is name node, who are data nodes, who is second name node, right?
Yes.
Or no? Okay, and what is the replication factor? What is the blocks? Is all those things, or what is the location of first image? What is the location of edit log, data blocks? Everything should be known to every server. Okay. So what I'm doing, whatever I did till now, okay, I am pushing all the modified configuration file to other nodes. Okay. So here I'm pushing this to other nodes. Okay. So now I copied this enter configuration directory to other machine's temp directory. From temp directory, I'm copying it to Hadoop location. Okay. Then changing the ownership. Okay. Now it means okay, all this information is available in all the nodes. Okay. Now tell me, every node knows who is name node.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here, okay, if this machine wants to know who is name node, okay. So if this machine has a core site XML, so name node IP is updated here. Okay, so it knows who is name node. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? See, we thought to run data nodes here, right? So now how data node will run? Okay, who is my name node? Data node will check in the core site XML. Got it?
Yes,
Check
sir.
in the okay. So that okay, now data node will understand. Okay, this IP address is my name node. Like that, okay, they'll understand. Okay, so like this, okay, we updated configuration files in the each and every machine. Okay, every time, okay, what we are doing first, okay, even etc profile file also we updated in one place and pushed it to all the machines. Okay, in the same way we updated configuration files to one machine, name node machine, and push it to all other machines. Okay, our idea is to maintain homogeneous configuration. It means same configuration across all the nodes. Yes or no?
Yes,
In
sir.
real time also they do the same thing, guys. Okay, first they update it in one machine, main master machine, that is name node machine, and from here they push to all the nodes. Got it? Okay, so we'll stop it here and okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, Venkat. So Venkat, from whatever we did today, once we get machine, we need to do in the same thing for in real time also, correct?
In real time also, sir. Yes, sir. Whatever you did today, the same thing you will do in real time also. Maybe get to, okay, in our practice, okay, we are doing for 6 machines. In real time, you will have to perform the same steps for 1,000 machines.
Okay, sir.
Venkat sir,
Got
about
it.
edge node.
Yeah. So, but okay, nowhere okay, we mentioned okay, what is edge node, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So edge node information you will not mention anywhere, madam.
Okay.
You will not mention anywhere. Okay. If
But
you
sir, we copied the same information in edge node also, yes, like
of course,
all
yes,
name
okay.
node.
Yeah, edge node also I copied, huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
So
got it.
if any IP we are missing means okay, that missing IP is nothing but edge node. Got it?
Got it. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Sir, and today's class, can you please send the video? This looks very important. Only
Definitely,
today's class.
Yes, definitely. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
okay. Very important class. Okay, and we are installing Hadoop. Okay, and again, guys. Okay, if you know Hadoop, okay, Hadoop installation, end-to-end Hadoop installation. Tomorrow, working in Hadoop, okay, will be very easy. Okay, it's already late. Okay, but give me 2 more minutes. Okay.
Sure.
Normally, you might have seen softwares. Okay, so some softwares. Okay, definitely there are many people in the batch who are already working. Okay, you take a software. Let's say you take a Oracle database. Okay, So Oracle database is a kind of a standalone database. Okay, if you learn one database, that is fine. Okay, you have only one software. Okay, you learn. Okay, so this software has 10 features. Let's say 10 features. Okay, if you learn 10 features. Okay, you are master in Oracle database, and you can get the job. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, but when it comes to Hadoop, okay, okay, it is a standalone database, standalone software. But what is Hadoop? Or a database. Okay, instead of standalone, I will say it is a tool. Tool will have 10 features. If you learn 10 features, okay, you can work on this database. But when I say Hadoop, okay, Hadoop is a tool or framework? Framework. Okay. So what is the difference between tool and framework? I know I explained this in demo.
Tool is also a part of Hadoop, sir.
Okay.
40 plus tools in Hadoop.
If you see the generic example here, okay, my hand is a tool, my eye is a tool, ear is a tool, mouth is a tool, stomach is a tool, okay, but my entire body is a framework. Understand? So when I say framework is a combination of many tools. Understand? Framework is combination of many tools. Okay, so you are not learning single tool, you are learning 40 plus tools, okay, as part of our Hadoop course. Understand? Okay, and each tool will have some features. Okay, so you are learning a big software, not a small software you are learning. That is the reason, okay, every day 2 hours means 2 hours, okay, I'm spending. Okay, minimum 2 hours means 2 hours. Okay, some days, okay, I'm crossing beyond 2 hours also. Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay, so definitely I'm not closing my class before 2 hours any day. Okay, so okay, I will tell you one thing. Okay, let us take this scenario, guys. Okay, let's say your human body is a framework. Tears are coming from your eyes. You got my point? Tears are coming from eyes. Okay, now, okay, you think, okay, as a Hadoop admin, okay, so you are a doctor now. Okay, you want to give a treatment. Tears are coming. What treatment you will give? Will you give eye drops? Of course, okay. So for ears, okay.
Yes,
eyes,
yes.
sorry. For eyes, okay, you will give eye drops only, right? But
Yes,
do
sir.
you know actual reason why tears are coming? Okay, if there's any problem in the eye, tears will come. Or okay, let's say I'm feeling bad. Yes or no? I may cry, right? Yes or no?
Definitely.
Okay. Okay, I got hurt. Okay, let's say, okay, so I fall down from my bike. Okay, I met with some accident with the car. Okay, so what will happen? What will happen? Okay, so I may cry. Okay, my kid, okay, 9 a.m. right? Okay, he started crying. He is crying. Okay, I cannot put eye drops, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay? So you should know the reason. Okay, see, suppose, okay, the reality is different, the reason is different. Yes or no? The reality is that, okay, kid is crying. Okay, so to stop kid crying, you cannot put eye drops. Okay, okay, understand? So Hadoop also like that, sir. Okay, see, problem you may see was, okay, some problem of one place, but okay, the main reason for that problem is in different place. That is the reason, okay, if you don't understand the connectivity between all the tools, okay, you cannot solve this problem. If you don't understand, okay, how Hadoop works internally, then, okay, you know what will happen? You will see tears coming from eyes and you will put eye drops. But actually that guy is, okay, crying that he doesn't want to go to school. For that reason, okay, you are putting eye drops. I hope, okay, see, I'm making you understand, like, okay, what important it is to understand the internals of Hadoop software. And guys, okay, whatever course you're learning today, okay, the same course, okay, you will use, okay, for next 100 years. If you are alive, seriously, I'm telling you. The basics. Understand this, okay? So please, okay, practice yourself. Okay, whatever help you want from my side. Okay, you ask me. I'm here to help you. Okay. Wait now. I may be a bit late to help. Okay, in helping. Okay, but definitely you will get my help. Okay, if you ask me now, I may not reply immediately because of my busy schedule, but definitely you will get answer. Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll stop it here.
Sir,
Okay,
please
so
upload that updated file.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll upload. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.